Hello and welcome back. Before we start, I just wanted to say if you guys have any questions about the strategy or anything pertaining to the strategy, that sort of thing, leave a comment below and I'll try and answer in the comments. If it's something that requires a little bit more time, then maybe I will make a video answering that question. Also, I plan on making some instructional videos about the different terminology and things like that I use in these videos. Just so if you ever wonder, well, what does that mean or whatever, hopefully soon I'll have a video about that. For all other questions, we have a Facebook page that you can reach me on. The link to the Facebook page is in the description below. So let's get started. Last week, we ended the week with $530 and 112% profit. We closed one trade last week, and that was a losing trade. So it was a pretty nasty week. Oh, you hear that? You hear that? Guess who that is? Yeah, he's back. The apprentice is back. Right, buddy? Just having a snack. I had to keep him contained because his destructive powers are increasing. Say hi. All right, he's being quiet all of a sudden. All right, so last week we closed one trade with a loss, so it was a losing week. We left 3 trades open over the weekend. And also, I mentioned last week that using a lot size that's too small. So I redid the lot divisor calculation, and I am now increasing the lot size every time the account balance increases by $150. Whereas before, it was every $200. So I readjusted everything, and now I'm trading at a higher lot size. So when we do take a loss, it's going to hit a little bit harder, but we're going to grow faster. All right, so let's go on to this week. Monday. Well, let's see. We're looking at Friday right now, and we had this one trade that was open. Right? Or was it one? No, it was 3 trades. It was 3 trades that were open. So that's Friday. Let's look at Monday. Monday. Yeah, nothing. Right? We had a little bit of good movement here. I think that we might have, if we weren't in this basket, we would have probably captured a few pips here. But I don't know that it would have been a particularly good trading day. But it would have been better than nothing. Okay, Tuesday. Kind of similar in market move to Monday. There was just a little part of the day where there was kind of a spike. We did manage to get out of that basket from Friday and catch some of the moves, but it was a fairly uneventful day aside from those few trades that we closed. Tuesday we closed 7 trades, and something interesting that happened. Let me see if I can zoom this thing out without losing my place here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but right there was a trade that was placed, and then it closed up here. And then the price dropped. You would think the price dropped down and entered another trade, but that's not what happened. What happened was I got another buy signal as soon as I closed this trade. If I turn the bars on, you'll kind of see what happened. So I got another buy signal at the close of that trade. And then, dude, I'm trying to talk here. I got another buy signal when this one closed. Let me turn off the bars. Oops. And then I did a trailing start. So the price retraced, and I trailed it all the way down until I finally got in almost to the original price where the previous trade had opened. So it kind of looks like it's kind of an interesting thing, and you see that once in a while where you get in, you catch a trailing start, the price comes down pretty close to the previous trade, and then closes again pretty close to the price where the previous trade closed. So that's kind of an interesting thing that I thought. Other than that, oh, now I got lost. Other than that, that was a pretty uneventful day. Let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday was kind of pretty lame. We closed one trade. There was some movement here, but there really wasn't enough volatility for anything meaningful to happen on Wednesday, other than this one that we caught. And that looks like it probably got in further up and then did a trailing start to actually enter the position down here, which was kind of cool. Otherwise, it would have got in at the top and it would probably still be dollar cost averaging right now. So Wednesday, pretty uneventful day. Oh, let's go back to Tuesday real quick, because I forgot to say what all the profits and stuff we got on Tuesday. So Tuesday, all right, so Tuesday we closed 7 trades, no trades left open. We were at a balance of $544, up $14 from Monday, which put us up to 117% gains from the start. So then let's go back to Wednesday. Wednesday we closed that one trade. So that put our balance up to $545, up $1 from Tuesday, and at 118% gains. And like I said before, it was a pretty uneventful day. I mean, there wasn't enough volatility for really anything much to happen. So we couldn't even get our 3 trades out of Wednesday. Let's look at Thursday. Absolutely nothing. We got a spike similar to the one from Wednesday. And we got in at the top, and now we're waiting to dollar cost average to get out of this one. All right, and just like Wednesday, there really wasn't much volatility except for that spike. That was probably some kind of news announcement or something. And if it was a Thursday, I don't know. If it was a Thursday or Friday, I would say it was probably something like the FOMC or the non-farm payrolls report that tends to disrupt the trend in the market. So not much going on Thursday, except we opened a trade and it's still open. Friday, that's something interesting happened. We closed a basket on Friday, but if you measure from here to here, that's nearly 60 pips. That's like 59 pips. And my grid spacing is 20 pips. So something weird happened. There should be a trade in between these two. And we probably would have dollar cost averaged out of that. No, I don't know that we would have. Looking at the price move. But we would have got a third trade in there, and we would have made more profit, and we would have met our quota for the day if that had happened. So I have no idea why it skipped that middle trade. But oddly enough, it did. And there were some, this looks kind of deceiving because it looks like we had some really good move. But the truth is that there just wasn't, I mean, that range, if I go from here to here, that's 50 pips, right? It looks a lot bigger, but it's only 50 pips. And so it's just that the trading range for the day was so small, you know, compared to a typical day, that there just wasn't a whole lot of room for signals, even if we had called it right on Thursday. So this week was... Uh-oh, Munchkin hurt himself. Let's see what's going on with him. Oh, where did you go? You all right now? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. All right, you want to say hi to everybody? Say, yo, what's up? Okay, are you gonna be quiet while I finish my video? All right then. Okay, so that was Friday. I'm not even going to show the Myfxbook because there just wasn't enough going on for anything to show anything meaningful on there. Okay, so let's wrap it up. First of all, I just want to say thanks for your support. You guys who are following me on ZuluTrade, big shout out to you guys. You're really helping me to build this business. Oh, that was something else I forgot to announce. We just this weekend hit $1 million assets under management on ZuluTrade. So that was a pretty big milestone for us.
$1 million.
And it's all thanks to you guys. You're watching the videos, you're signing up, you're putting you're depositing some money, and you're making money. You're making money with me, and I appreciate it. All right. If you are not signed up with ZuluTrade, there's a link in the description below that you can use to go on there and get signed up, and you can follow me as well. So let's wrap it up. How did we do? Yep. This is the part where I say how we did. All right. Do you want to do it? So now you get silent. All right. So how did we do? We started the week with $530 and 112% profit. We ended the week with $548 and 119% profit. That's an $18 gain, which represents 3.3%. That's what I was going to say. It represents 3.3% profit week over week. We're still below the high water mark, but we're about halfway to the high water mark from last week. And we closed 10 trades for the week. Okay, which, remember our quota is 15, so we didn't meet our quota, but it's better than nothing, right? And we've had a couple of weeks of nothing, so I'll take what I can get. All right, guys, so that's all I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Say bye, buddy.